Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Almighty God, the most compassionate and the most merciful, I welcome you all, my dear lovely, sweet and beautiful friends from all over the world. By the way, we have got a simple question for this week. What is the question? P and Q, they cover real numbers, and there is a root of this quadratic equation, that's 2 minus root 3. Now, which answer is the correct one? How can we solve? First, I want to write this equation, x squared plus px plus q equal to 0. We have got one root of this equation, it's x1, 2 minus root 3. If we are able, in order to find another root of this equation, on that occasion we are able, in order to find p and q. If we are able to find p and q, so we will put the answers of p and q in this equation, maybe in number 1, number 2, number 3 or number 4. Whatever give as 0, so it would be the answers. It means I have to find first the variable p and q. It's not variable, it is a coefficient for this equation, but in this equation p and q, they are variable. So one thing you have to remember, that is one root of this equation is 2 minus root 3 or not? Yes. This one is a rational number or irrational number. It's a rational number. In irrational, if the answers in a quadratic equation happen in irrational, so the answers are always happen in conjugate pairs. What do I mean? The roots of a quadratic equation in irrational happens in conjugate pair. Conjugate pairs. What do I mean? It means if one answer is x1 is equal to minus root 3, the another answer is 2 plus root 3. It's always correct. If one answer is 2 plus root 5, the another answer is 2 minus root 5. If one answer is minus root 7, another root is plus root 7. Just in quadratic equation. Am I right or not? Yes. Now, we know x1, also we know x2. If we know x1 and x2, so we know x1 plus x2. What's x1 plus x2? It is minus b divided by a. What's b? b is the coefficient of the x. What's a? A is the coefficient of x squared. It means minus bs. p divided by a. A is 1. Now we have x1. It is 2 minus root 3 plus x2, 2 plus root 3. So it's minus p. Now we can cancel this one. We will find minus p is 2 plus 2, it's 4. Divide both sides by minus, it's minus 4. First. Also, we know x1 multiplied by x2. It is c divided by a. What's c? C is the constant number. So it's q divided by a. A is coefficient of x squared. Now we have x1. x1 is 2 minus root 3 times x2, 2 plus root 3. This one is q. You can simplify this one. Q is A minus B, A plus B. A square minus B square. It means 2 square minus root 3 square. We can cancel this one. 2 square is 4. 4 minus 3, it's 1. Now, you have P and also you have Q. Then put this one in the answer sheet. The first one is Q square minus 4P minus 16 equal to 0. Instead of Q, you should put 1 square minus 4. Instead of P, you have to put minus 4 minus 16. Is this one equal to 0? If this one is, then this is the correct answer. 1 square is 1, minus is plus, 4 times 4, 16, minus 16. Is this one equal to 0? No. So, number 1 is not correct one. Come to number 2. Number 2. P square minus 4Q minus 12 equal to 0. Instead of P, we have to put what? Minus 4 square minus 4. Instead of Q, 1 minus 12. Is this one equal to 0? Minus square plus 4 square is 16. Minus 4 times 1, it's 4. Minus 12. Is this one equal to 0? 16 minus 4 is 12. 12 minus 12 is 0. 0 is equal to the 0. Then the correct answer is number 2. By the way, Allah Hafiz.